loud and broken. Burkina Faso, we unite the land. Power to the people, we take a stand. I see the pain, I feel the fire, but we reaching higher, we'll never tire. A message for the world, we don't play. Stand with us together, we'll pave the way.
Oh, God protect us.